In this video, we'll be taking a look at how you can take screenshots on Windows 11, even if you're having trouble doing so. First method is taking screenshot with print screen key, given on a keyboard. But if you freshly installed Windows 11, you might need to enable print screen key from the settings. To enable print screen, type print screen in search box and select Use the print screen key to launch screen snipping. Now, click this toggle bar to enable the print screen key. Once you enable the print screen key, simply press the key on your keyboard and it will launch screen snipping tool. Now you can simply use this tool. You can also use snipping tool given in Windows 11. To open the snipping tool, simply type snipping in search box and click on the snipping tool. Once the tool is open, select Mode by clicking on this drop-down and click on New. Simply drag the mouse cursor to select area and screenshot will be taken. Now you can copy this screenshot by clicking on this icon and paste it wherever you want to paste. You can also save it by clicking on the Save button. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, hit like, hit subscribe, and press bell icon to enable notifications for future videos. Thanks, and have a fun!